Hi and welcome to John's Maths book. In this video, we'll be exploring another key concept in mathematics. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please show your support by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. Your positive engagement helps me create more content and allows me to bring you more valuable maths lessons. Without further ado, let's go over to the whiteboard. Let's look at finding the adjoint or adjugate of a 2x2 matrix. I'll walk through the various steps required to do this and then show you a quick method. The adjoint of a matrix is used for, amongst other things, finding the inverse of a matrix. Finding the adjoint of a 2x2 matrix is best demonstrated by example. So we'll use matrix A, which has elements 3, 6, 7 and 8. To find the adjoint, we first need to find the cofactors of matrix A. If you haven't already, please watch the video I did on finding the cofactors of a 2x2 matrix. I'll drop a link to it in the description of this video. To begin the process, we need to find the 4 minor elements of matrix A, or the matrix of minors. To find the minor element circled in red, we eliminate row 1 and column 1, and what's left, in this case 8, is placed in row 1, column 1 of the matrix of minors. For row 1, column 2, we do the same thing. So eliminating its row and column, we're left with a value of 7, which we place in row 1, column 2 of the matrix of minors. And for row 2, column 1, eliminating its row and column, we're left with a value of 6, which is placed in row 2, column 1 of the matrix of minors. And finally, eliminating row 2, column 2 leaves a value of 3, and this is placed in row 2, column 2 of the minor element matrix. To find the cofactor matrix, we multiply each element of the matrix of minors by -1 raised to the power of the sum of its row and column values. This effectively multiplies the individual elements of the matrix of minors by the pattern of pluses and minuses shown here. And when we do this, we get a cofactor matrix of 8, -7, -6, and 3. The final step in this process is to transpose the cofactor matrix, which will then give us the adjoint of matrix A. Transposing the 2x2 matrix means turning each of its columns into rows, and so column 1 of the cofactor matrix becomes row 1 of the adjoint of matrix A, and column 2 of the cofactor matrix becomes row 2 in the adjoint of matrix A. And this completes the adjoint matrix, which is made up of elements 8, -6, -7, and 3. Now, I promised you a fast method of doing this. So to find the adjoint of matrix A, we swap the position of these two elements here to give these two elements here in the adjoint matrix. And then we change the sign of these two elements here to give these two elements in the adjoint matrix.